came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather clad seat, pack of spirits in your potted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, manic pixie dream right beside me, and she said she liked me.
上完厕所马上就领掉我的行李，然后现在要搭 Sky Bus 去一个南十字星车站，然后先去饭店放个行李。You say you love me, but then change your mind, and it's in everything you say. Why you acting blind? And it don't matter what I do. Feels like I'm never getting through with you. Never cross, turn my wins into a loss. I can feel us fading slow. You want me to be someone I don't even know. You keep saying it's for my own good, but you never love me the way that you should. 我没想到我是看他的橱窗里面有这个 pasta， 然后跟蔬菜，我就说我想要把它放在一起，然后订一盘。然后我没有想到他来的时候会这么大一个。Just changing me. You used to love the things I'd say. Now it's like, should I even stay? Don't leave me on red, answer my call. You don't want me to be myself at all. Can't you just understand me, pretty face? Just meet up on Monday at my place. You don't like when it's still the same. I think you're the problem, yet I take the blame. You keep saying it's for my own good, but you never love me the way that you should. Why you always trying to change me? Love me or just leave me lonely. I was never what you wanted me to be. Now I'm losing who I used to be. You don't hear me when I'm speaking, only see the flaws you pick. And I gave you all, but now I see you don't love me, you're just changing me. But I was whole before I met you. I won't bend until I break in two, just to feel enough for you. Why you always trying to change me? Love me or just leave me lonely. I was never what you wanted me to be.
房间，来个 room tour。这边就是有一个晒衣架，然后镜子之后门进来左转是厕所，这里有个马桶，然后有灯了。接下来房间。有个保险柜，泡茶的椰饼，还有冰箱。
That's right, you good. I reckon I can be like.
Is there anything else you wanted to add?
First?
Flowers? Yeah.
I was like,
There's even like
It doesn't look too bad. It's not too good, right?
我点的是8号bagel，里面有烟熏鲑鱼、cream cheese， 还有糯米。然后我点的是 everything bagel。
Yeah, all right, excellent. I love the enthusiasm project. This year, set a new real estate record, experience. Not for that. The vehicle is lead through here. Once again relocated away from the island. Particular water under the bridge is called the Narrows. And as I said, again, keep heading up.
You do it for the story, or you do it for the start. Say it's love, it's power, it's nature, it's art. You do it for the story, or you do it for the start. Some people just know what to say. Feel this advice in the melodies that you play. And some people just know what to do. How perpetual running, maybe that could be you. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up putting up Mother Earth. What would the world be without the brightest lovers? The
Like
brightest
lots of bricks and
lovers.
very lots of currents.
The writers and lovers. The writers and lovers.
Just make out the shape of something that may have been a very blurry seal, possibly on. Actually good. So if you luck out, hopefully we can get a tour. What is on for why? What's by now? So everything went home to me. So all of the low trees and brush that you can.